Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI cousin. There's last week's spread. And this week I will be decorating for the week of, what day is it? Monday, March 13th through the 19th. And I was just thinking, it's actually St. Patrick's Day on Friday, but I'm not decorating anything in the St. Patrick's style. I'm actually going to be using some stickers that are coming to my shop. So this is the Irises collection, and there is the deco sheet, the circles, where are they? The swatches, and then the quote and washi, which I've already partly used in my HOBONICHI weeks. So these will be coming out in my shop on Thursday, March 16th, in preparation for the Made in Canada Planner collab sale on March 17th. But I'm also using some of these mini icons, and these will come in either white matte or clear matte. So you've got exclamation, this isn't all of them, but you've got weights and TV and Happy Mail, laptop, YouTube, groceries, laundry, cutting machine, and garbage. So excited. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I'm sitting on the edge of my chair because Lucy is currently sitting on my chair. Oh, I love these. I'm so excited to use those. First thing I'm going to do is put some of this washing on top, maybe. I don't know. Does it match? It matches with the circles, like the pink circles, and that's a very tiny light color that's kind of just on the edge between the yellow and the purple. So I want to bring some of that in, but how much? Or maybe, why is this always so difficult? It's not. Okay, so let's use, firstly, I want to use finish off the stickers that I have here. So, okay. Use a pink and a purple, and then use the shorter ones that are left over, if I can peel them off. Oh, please peel off. Right. Okay, slowly. There we go. If my voice sounds kind of wonky today, it's because I have been sick for the last, let's say a few days here. So, let's do yellow. Do big yellow one. And I know it's not officially spring yet because I'm in here in Canada. Literally, we don't fully get like spring weather until maybe April, May. It's winter until then. And even in May, it could even snow on Labor Day. So you just never know. Oh, I like that. Very, very pretty. So then let's put one of the bigger, oh yes, the bigger one here, but I'm gonna put the pink circle behind it. I really like the pink circles, or the circles in general. I think they're a really great decoration to add. Right there. Perfect. Yay, sticker sheet done. And then what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start the sidebar and then work at the bottom, and then we'll do the rest of the spread. So I'm gonna zoom in here. So the first thing I'm going to do is write the word sleep with my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. Fudenosuke? I don't know if I'm saying that right. Fudenosuke brush pen, and I'm gonna use a purple to go on top. And I have been measuring my sleep score. It hasn't been great this week. It really hasn't been great. So I was just thinking about what inks I could use, and I think I'm gonna use my Pelikan 140, which currently has Ferris Wheel Press Moss Park Green. And yeah, so I'm measuring my sleep score, and it has been off all week. Normally I can get in the 80s for a sleep score, and this is all measured on my Fitbit. But with me being sick this week, my sleep score has just been awful. I haven't been going into the next section here before I've been separating, but now underneath I'm going to track my workouts. Thing is, I haven't really been doing any strength training because I've been sick. I've been still working out on my stepper, and I love working out on my stepper. I find it a mix of cardio as well as something relaxing because I get to watch YouTube while I do it. So I'm gonna use one of these weight stickers, and I love that these are clear. Where's my, oh, tweezers. This is the perfect time to use my tweezers. I'm so out of practice using tweezers, but I love them because they're just, oh, they fit so well in there. I love it. Even though I'm not doing weight training during this time, I'm still gonna, wait, I want to use my Cross Botanica Green Daylily has Dusk in Bloom, and I think it's like this grayish purple that would work really well for it. So I'm gonna just write the days of the week here, and then as the week goes on, I will just write down how many steps I've done, or if I've done the stepper, and how I felt doing that. So I'm going to zoom out. Next, I'm going to write the word meals along the bottom, Monday through Sunday, and then I'm gonna use the irises swatches as headers. I really like using the swatches because it's a way to add function and headers and also match the colors of the spread that you're using without having to own every single Tombow color. Although I know there are some that aspire to that. I don't. I like having just the colors that I need for the spread. All right, so on to the middle of the spread where I'm going to go ahead and use my Tombow Food and Noscape brush pen to brush letter in the words work Monday through Thursday. And then I'm going to use the same Tombow Food and Noscape marker to draw in the arrows for my shifts. And then I will use the matching irises swatches. Same day, we'll have the same color as the meals down at the bottom. And then once I'm done that, then I'm gonna add these cute computer icon stickers that I just created, and they will be coming out in my shop this Thursday. I think these are adorable. So now I'm gonna go in day to day and write down what it is that I need for each day. So starting with Monday, the usual to do will be to meal plan and order groceries. Oops. And then Tuesday, printed it off here, I have an acupuncture appointment at 8, so I'm going to use these exclamation point stickers, which I love because I sized these to fit within a 1 hour time slot in the Cousin. Ooh, love that. And this is for 8 o'clock acupuncture with Kate. Oh, I love that. Then that evening, my husband has to put out all of the garbage bins. And I have an icon for that. I hand drew all of these icons and they were so fun to make. Really, really fun to make. So garbage. Oh my gosh, how cute. How cute. And I love that it just fits in that. It doesn't go into other hours or time blocks or anything. I love it. So nothing Wednesday, Thursday. And then Friday is, so Friday at 10 o'clock will be, there's a whole bunch of things that I'm missing, I feel like. Okay, so Friday is green. At 10 o'clock at Weight Watchers, Sherwood Park. I think I'm gonna book a nail appointment for right here, but I don't necessarily have an icon for that. I have, now will this purple work? I want to test this. Will this purple work? Oh yeah, that'll be fine. So I'm gonna use this right underneath. Oh, that fits perfectly for I'm gonna do 11 o'clock manicure at Bins. And then there will be filming to do that day, but I also, that is the day I have to start working on orders because it is the Made in Canada Planner Collab sale that day. So once I've got my manicure, I will then start, oh, I missed Thursday, I have to go back to Thursday. And I'll then take out my YouTube and do some filming because there's a lot of filming that I have to do in preparation for when we go away so that I can have a whole bunch of videos already filmed. So film, this will be weeks, cousin, I believe also the monthly setup. I'm looking here now. Yeah, the monthly setup. And then more filming will have to happen as the days go on before we leave. And then I'm going to, I'm looking through these now and I'm like, do I even have all the ones that I want? Yeah, there was a heart one. There was a heart one and I didn't print that one off yet, but then I'm gonna use one of these exclamations with, I'm gonna do this. Maybe a different color. This one is, what are you? Fawn. For, yes, that kind of matches with the peach. And then put that down. Oh, I love it. And then that will be for bubble tea with the kids every Friday. Cocoa with kids. And then, yeah, I'll have to fold laundry that night. I'm gonna leave that open. And I forgot that I have to put groceries on here. How cute is that shopping cart? My husband will be picking up groceries that evening. And look at how perfectly it fits in there. Love it. So that will be with this. I smudged. That's okay. Pick up groceries. Dang it. Yeah, it's a wet pen. Then Robin has her last skiing lesson that day, which I'm going to do with this marker again. Oops, wrong one. It's from 9:45 to 11:15. And using another exclamation mark. I didn't realize I would go through these ones so quickly. There. Oh, cute. And that one is with this one. So 9:45 to 11 o'clock, Robin. Oh no, 11:15, oh whatever. Skiing. And I couldn't ski with her this past Saturday, and I can't really ski with her that day either because I'll be working on orders. Then this evening, I have a team happy hour, which I will also be folding laundry for. Yay! Where's that purple one? So these Zig Color clean color dots are from Stationery Pal, and I love them. So right there. And I'm placing a cute laundry basket. This is why I like the clear ones, because then you could see the color through them. Oh gosh. What's the color? So fold laundry and team happy hour. Okay, then Sunday the 19th is cleaning. And this is the thing, I don't have a cleaning one yet. I don't have a cleaning one. I do have one for cutting machine. So I still have lots of icons that I could certainly still work up, but for this sale, I just have like the 18 that I went through. But for the cleaning one, I don't mind. Actually, I love using these ones from Paper Bits Co. because they're just huge. So making sure I'm got the right pen here. This will be bathrooms. I have to remember to also do bed linens. And my husband will vacuum, do the windows. And then Henry will go around and grab the garbage bins. And then Robin will, what's she doing? She will actually help to clean the bathrooms, but also do the light switches and door handles. Then Henry, I'm gonna grab, let's see. Love the cleaning sticker, that's a good one. Henry will use his, where's the ninja sticker, Henry? There we go. This will be his last wall climbing and his last, well, no, this will be his last wall climbing class, because after this, we're actually not going to put him in wall climbing again, just because he does enjoy ninja, and wall climbing become a little boring for him, unfortunately, just because there's a lot of sitting around in wall climbing. So 11:30 to 12:30 each at ninja. Let's not make the same mistake as last week. And then it's 1:30 to 3 o'clock Henry at wall climbing. Okay, so now that the basics are in there, I can then start cleaning up. I like to clean as I go. So now I can put a bit more deco in here as well. I'm gonna save some because I also want to use these in my journal. Or do I want to, okay. Let's put, I want to put a circle here. I'm going to use this purple one. And that here, this one. Oh, how pretty. Then I'm gonna just add a few little ones around, because why not? Like, put one here, because I didn't have an icon for sleep. And then just even a little one here. Oh, I like it. And I finished the sticker sheet. Perfect. Oh, I love it. Love how, I just love the colors, the purple, the yellow, and the peach together. Really, really, really nice. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget that this collection does come out in my shop on Thursday, March 16th, but then the big sale for Made in Canada, the planner collab sale, happens on the 17th. So I'm releasing them on the 16th to give you guys a chance to load your carts before the big sale. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and to subscribe. Thanks again, and have yourselves a great day.